Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make carrot dogs. Well, it's very easy, but a lot of people wonder what we eat on our buns when we don't eat hot dogs. So I bought this package of brat buns from Walmart and I decided, I'm gonna make potato soup today, homemade potato soup. So maybe what I'll do is make some carrot dogs to go along with our potato soup. And all you need is to buy you a package of carrots, and I buy the organic carrots, and I try to get them to where they're nice size. And I take this brush here and I wash them, which I've already done. So this is a vegetable brush. I got it at Dollar Tree. And I brushed them underneath running water with some vinegar and cleaned them really good. But you don't want to peel them. So you want to leave them like that. So they're washed really nice. I did want to say at Dollar Tree I found these really nice mitts. And these to match. I thought they were so cute. And so you can get quite a good buy when you go to Dollar Tree. But anyway, getting back to my carrot dogs. So what you want to do is you just want to take off the end and don't throw them away. Today I'm making potato soup, so I'll put the ends in my potato soup. Now this end I'll throw away, but I'm talking about the other end. This end I'll throw away. But there you go. That's about the size of a hot dog, maybe a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's about the size of a hot dog. And I don't throw away anything. Like I told you before, I usually use it in soups or something. So these little pieces will be used in my potato soup today. So here we go. So you want to make sure that you just cut the ends, and if you want them to fit in your hot dog bun really good, you might want to cut them down a little bit. See if I'm getting them about the right size. Yeah, about the right size. Some people say, oh, they can't taste like hot dogs. They do. They do, and just think, there's so much nutrition in them. In a hot dog, you don't get no nutrition. They're not good for you. But I won't make you guys go through all this with me. But after I take and boil them to where you can get your fork in, they're nice and soft. Then I have a griddle over here, a little griddle that's in between my stove. This is liquid smoke, and sometimes I'll cut the carrot in half and just grill them and then put them on the bun. I myself don't like liquid smoke, so I just eat them like this with relish and mustard and ketchup and whatever you would put on a hot dog. And that is what we do for making hot dogs. So pretty interesting, huh? Today I'm making my homemade potato soup. If you want to go to one of my recipes and see that. I did a fast potato soup for y'all. That's just basically all cans. And then I also did a potato soup on this channel from scratch. So go and watch that, because that's what I'll be doing today. And I'll be adding all these carrot ends to my potato soup. So I stuck this bun in for 10 seconds. And then I like a little ketchup with mine. And I'll take some yellow mustard. Ooh, exploded because I shook it, but that's okay. And I'm not real fond of the sweet pickles, so I might put just a little bit on. But I like the dill sandwich size pickles, like this. So I'll just lay it on the bun. And voila, you got your carrot dog. Okay, now I'm gonna taste it for y'all. can't even tell the difference. It's so good. And just to think, it's carrot. Very nutritious. Very good for your kids. You won't get leukemia from carrots. So, there you go. I hope you try it. I hope you enjoy. Well, you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time here in Mama's Kitchen. Bye-bye.